Hello student, welcome to Pharmacy channel. Today we will discuss 20 MCQ on blood. So the first question is question number 1. Blood is a connective tissue, epithelial tissue, or both A and B, connective tissue and epithelial tissue, or none of the above. Blood is a connective tissue or epithelial tissue or both A and B, and the right answer is connective tissue. Blood is a connective tissue. Next question. Question number 2 is most of the volume of normal human blood is composed of. Most of the volume of normal human blood is composed of hemoglobin, red cells, plasma और white cells, यानी कि WBC. And the right answer is plasma. Most of the volume of normal human blood is composed of plasma. Next question is question number 3. Which of the following statement is true concerning human blood? The blood of all normal humans contain red and white cells, platelets and plasma. Some human populations normally lack the ability to produce plasma. Protein are not normal components of human blood, or all of the above. The right answer is the blood of all normal humans contains red and white cells, platelets and plasma. Next question, question number 4 is erythrocytes is other name of. Erythrocytes is another name of platelets, red cells, plasma or white cells. Erythrocyte is another name of red cells. The right answer is red cells. Question is what would happen to red blood cells if the heme group were removed from hemoglobin? Red blood cells would not be able to bind oxygen. Red blood cells would not be able to produce. White blood cells would not be able to reproduce. Blood clot formation would be inhibited. The right answer is blood cells would not be able to bind oxygen. Next question is question number 6. Which of the following is the function of white blood cells? Transport oxygen, maintain homeostasis, defend against infection, produce hemoglobin. The right answer is option C, defend against infection. Next question is question number 7. An increased white blood cell count is indicative of which disease? An increased white blood cell count is indicative of which disease? Lupus, leukemia, anemia or melanoma. An increased white blood cell count is indicative of which disease? The right answer is leukemia. Next question. Question number 8 is serum differs from blood as it lacks antibodies, albumins, clotting factors or globulin. Serum differs from blood as it lacks, option C is the right answer, clotting factors. Next question is question number 9. Hematopoiesis takes place in लंग्स, लीवर, पैनक्रियास और सॉरी मिस्टेक है यहाँ पे, बोन मैरो आएगा। लंग्स, लीवर, पैनक्रियास और बोन मैरो। द राइट आंसर इज बोन मैरो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. The formation of a blood clot is known as coagulation, chemotaxis, leukopoiesis, erythropoiesis. The formation of a blood clot is known as. Right answer is option A, coagulation. The formation of a blood clot is known as coagulation. Next question, question number 11 is, which of the following blood cells play an important role in blood clotting? Leukocytes, thrombocytes, neutrophils or erythrocytes. Which of the following blood cells play an important role in blood clotting? Right answer is thrombocytes. Thrombocytes is also known as platelets. Next question, question number 12 is, this plasma protein is responsible for blood coagulation. Option A, fibrinogen, B, globulin, C, serum amylase, D, albumin. This plasma protein is responsible for blood coagulation. The right answer is option A, fibrinogen. Next question, question number 13. pH of blood is option A 1.5 to 5.5, option B 7.35 to 7.55, option C 7.9 to 8.0, or all of the above. pH of blood is, it is a very important question, 7.35 to 7.5. Next question, question number 14 is, the process of coagulation is classically divided into how many pathways? The process of coagulation is classically divided into how many pathways? 3, 2, 1 or 4. There are 3 pathways, that is intrinsic, extrinsic or common pathway. Next question is question number 15. DNA is not present in an ancleated ovum, a mature spermatozoa, hair root or mature RBC. The right answer is option D, mature RBC. There is DNA is not. Next question, question number 16. Lifespan of RBC is 110 days, 90 days, 120 days or 100 days. The right answer is 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Next question, question number 17. An abnormally low number of red blood cells in the blood is anemia, leukemia, sickle cell disease, or all of the above. An abnormally low number of RBC in the blood is anemia. Right answer is option A, anemia. Next question. Question number 18. Lifespan of platelets: 10 days, 90 days, 120 days or 100 days. Lifespan of platelets is about 10 days, whereas lifespan of RBC is 120 days, 120 days, but lifespan of platelets is 10 days. Next question is question 19. Antigens are found on the surface of red cells. Kinds of red cells that identify a blood type. Relatively large carbohydrate molecules, or all of the above. Antigens are, option A is the right answer, found on the surface of red cells. Next question, question number 20, and the last question of this video. What are the main functions of blood? Protection, transport, regulation, and all of the above. What are the main functions of blood? Transport, protection, regulation, or all of the above? The right answer is all of the above. Thank you.